All right, so tell us something about the photo shoot. What was this all about? इसके बारे में थोड़ा.
We're shooting for this brand called Sara for. We're shooting for this brand called Sara for ethnic wear, and because the festive season's around, everything is colorful and pretty. And you know who doesn't like wearing Indian? As you can see, I'm in one of their prettiest Indian wear. And the sari is so stunning because it's got all the lovely colors. You can, yeah, I mean, whatever color you feel like, you can be wearing it. And thanks to my lovely lady here that she's got me on board for this. And I feel like Shreya, you want to add to the about the brand?
Yes. I think you can just make out the look. She's looking wonderful and very pretty with this amazing look. And this brand is Sara by Limbudi, and it's a Gujarat-based brand. And of course, you can find all the collection online. It's going to be on Flipkart, Amazon, all online portals. So anybody who's goes
Interested in
gaga over
ethnic
this
wear.
look,
Yeah. And
so-
also, I love the black sari. Wasn't it lovely?
You loved it, yeah. The special one was the black sari.
I think saris are amazing, and a woman looks lovely in saris. So yeah, thank you for having me here. It's been a real pleasure.
So there was a whole lot of
ओके नैन्सी के
changes.
साथ में अगर बात करूँ तो साड़ी में काफ़ी सारे चेंजेस थे आपके And
जी।
जिस तरीके से आपने ब्लैक वाला बताया उसके अलावा और कौन कौन सा आपका फेवरेट
मुझे लगता है कि वेडिंग्स में आप ब्लैक साड़ी नहीं पहन सकते, थोड़ा अजीब होता है. स्पेशली माई मदर टेल्स मी कि डोंट वेयर अ ब्लैक साड़ी. सो आई थिंक दिस इज़ माई सेकंड मोस्ट फेवरेट क्योंकि इसमें इतने प्यारे कलर्स हैं. यू नो जो भी कलर आपका मूड है, कंफ्यूज हो क्या पहनना है तो ये पहन लो, इसमें सारे कलर्स हैं. सॉल्व्स माई पर्पस. सो आई रियली लाइक दिस वन. इट्स अ क्यूट, यंग, फ्रेश, कलरफुल साड़ी.
But you know, when you choose your favorite, what is the most important part for an outfit?
I think comfort बहुत ज़रूरी है because I feel you shouldn't feel like the outfit's wearing you. I mean, this saree is so easy. You can sit, you can walk, you can move around. So I think comfort's very important
Summary and
for every
comfortability, yeah.
And
lady.
in fact, the outfits which we have seen right now, all were very lightweight.
Yeah, and they
yeah.
kind of feel very good as well. So yeah, it's been fun wearing them.
Okay,
That's the
so
best thing about a woman, and feeling good, looking good.
Yeah.
What else you need?
ओके नैन्सी के साथ में पर्सनली अगर आपकी अगर बात करें
जी।
तो आपका क्या स्टाइलिश स्टेटमेंट है
एक्चुअली आई लव टू वेयर अ साड़ी बट मुझे मौका मिलता नहीं है ज़्यादातर साड़ी पहनने का. सो आई वॉज वेरी एक्साइटेड व्हेन स्पेशली देयर वर साड़ीज़ एंड आई लव एथनिक वेयर. सो कुर्तियाँ ज़्यादा पसंद करती हूँ पहनना बट आई रियली एन्जॉयड वेयरिंग द लवली साड़ीज़. दे हैव नाइस चोलीज, बैक, cool. I mean, I just like the vibe of a sari. It makes you look sexy and cute as well.
Okay, besides this, any upcoming projects which you
Of
would
course,
like to share with
lots
us?
of them. Still filming for Jogira, which is with Nawaz, and but the next release will be Afatesh, which is a Z special release. I don't know the date yet, but I'm really looking forward to it. Of course, Illegal Season 2 is coming out first week of November mostly, and we just finished shooting for it, so excited about all of it.
Okay, we are waiting for it.
Thank you,
All the
ma'am.
very best. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
अरे मंगवा लेंगे यार क्यों परेशान हो रहे हो चेक 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 1 2 3 4 5 चेक चेक श्योर बाय चेक 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 1 2 3 4 5 चेक
इस रोल के बारे में. हेलो हेलो, हाउ आर यू? फाइन फाइन फाइन. नेहा शर्मा का इंटरव्यू चल रहा है और इस समय हमारे साथ है न्यूज़ हेल्पलाइन. क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप हमारे बारे में?
साड़ीज़ बिकॉज आई थिंक साड़ी में एक लड़की बहुत अच्छी दिखती है. सबसे क्यूट साड़ी थी वो जो सबसे कलरफुल साड़ी थी. इट हैड ऑल द कलर्स ऑन इट वाज द क्यूटेस्ट थिंग बट आई ऑब्वियसली लव ब्लैक. एक ब्लैक साड़ी थी, ऑफ कोर्स शादी में नहीं पहन सकते बट इट वाज सच अ प्रिटी साड़ी. सो या आई हैड अ ग्रेट टाइम.
ओके जनरली अगर आपकी अगर बात करें तो किस तरीके के फैशन को व्हाट इज योर फैशन मानते हैं
For me, comfort's very important. So I like to wear things that are comfortable, and I think that's the key. The clothes that you wear have to be comfortable.
what was the best thing about today's photo shoot?
I think the saris were light and airy and it felt like you're not really wearing like a heavy sari. वो चलना फिरना आसान होना चाहिए साड़ी में, and I enjoyed shooting in it, so it was quite a lot of fun.
Okay, Neha, we have seen you in many of the albums and which have been a great successful. कोई possibility है कि अब हम आपको फिर से किसी नए एल्बम में देखें?
I mean, I'm always excited to do music videos क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि लोगों को बहुत पसंद आते हैं अगर अच्छे गाने हो तो कोशिश यही रहती है कि अच्छे से अच्छा गाना सेलेक्ट करूं एंड लोगों को एंटरटेन करूं. सो या, फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड.
एंड इसी के साथ में अभी हम जब ऊपर होकर में जिसका करा रहे हैं
जी.
हो रहा था,
या.
तो क्या ध्यान में आता है सबसे पहले आप और सिद्धार्थ का गाना बहुत ज़्यादा हिट हुआ है,
या.
तो व्हाट इज योर मतलब सबसे क्या
See, now it's very different because all the memories come up and he's truly missed, and everybody, I mean, millions and millions of fans he's got. So I just want to say, stay strong, guys. And I know this is tough. I don't know how to deal with this myself, but I'm sending you all the love, and I hope this gets easier. Though he'll always be missed every day. So yeah, every time I see the song now, I remember him fondly and with good thoughts and happy memories, and I'm sure he's in a better place, and that's what I wish for him, and I wish strength for his loved ones and family.
Okay, lastly, upcoming projects अपने share करना चाहेंगे?
जी, ऑफ कोर्स बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ जोगीरा सारा रारा को लेकर के, जो नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी के साथ. आई थिंक ही इज़ अ फैबुलस एक्टर. देन आई हैव आफत इश्क, which is again a very amazing script. We've made it with a lot of love. It's coming out soon. I can't tell you when, but soon, and very excited about it. Of course, Illegal 2 की shooting भी खत्म हो गई है, so I think November it should release, and lots of interesting things coming.
एंड आपकी शॉर्ट फिल्म की भी काफी
जी
responses
जी 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 and I'm very excited the way people have responded to Vikalp, because Vikalp was not this commercial, masala short film. It was something which was about a very sensitive topic, and I wanted to support it because I feel like there are a few things that you should do for people, and I hope that it helps, if not everybody, a lot of women to come forward and take a stand. So yeah, thank you for all the lovely response. Thank you, guys.